What that? Skid back, boop back. Yeah man. Yeah man, 3-star, red out. Soldier. Yeah man. Let it go, yo. Messenger.
I go simple sound, she understand the plan, this you know say. 3-star sound, some things where I'm down fans. So the sense of blessed man down fans. I so stay. And liquid devil is running. What am I smack to Chan. Oh Lord. See the broken old town, hunting in the burning sun. A disappointed African doesn't even know I stay. And after so many years of sweat and tears, still they're living in fear, wondering if and when he's gonna get his share. Whoa, guess what's happening? Whoa, 3-star is playing, yeah. See them someone rolling, but soon so you will be free, yeah, Lord. But who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now, yes? Who could it be now? Knocking on the 3-star door, like God. Who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now, yes? Who could it be now? Knocking on some door, like gosh. Someone on you, who you talking to? 3-star them gonna kill you, and your back's boy crew. I don't tell them what you gon' do. Now you sound fade away, but where you are gonna do? I know you're gonna be a 3-star sound. Like I someone have to run away, and then some clench thing. Yes, them are gonna melt away. That's what 3-star sound say. I someone have to run away, and then some clench thing. Yes, them are gonna melt away.